Johnson is a hugely popular makeup artist and YouTuber with almost 4 million subscribers to her name. Back in 2010, she found herself facing 2 criminal charges regarding her 13-year-old son. The first was for child endangerment when he was found home alone while Johnson was out of town on a business trip. The second was for not making her son attend middle school despite receiving dozens of letters regarding his truancy. Johnson pleaded guilty to the truancy charges in order for the endangerment charge to be dropped, and she received a 90-day suspended sentence and a $130 fine. Johnson provoked even more controversy when it was revealed that she asked her fans for contributions to pay for her legal fees. She received thousands of dollars, which many said was more than she actually needed. Number 6. Brandon Carter. Brandon Carter is a widely
Truancy, Truancy, Truancy.